somebody say, give me something that I can be proud of. Give me democracy. Make sure we minimize our corruption. Stop using negative ethnicity of turning around and saying that because you have disagreed with people who you have struck a deal with. And indeed, by the way, Mr. Speaker, I listened to this House severally. Some of these contradictions we have are a consequence of the broken system of our governance structure. Why is it that every 5 years the vice president is fighting with his president? Why is it that we are not able to deal with the dysfunctionality of our financials in this republic? How can we talk about Kenya as a great country when you know we are in debt, we can't finish a railway, the revenue we are collecting, we don't even know what's happening, the county governments are having a problem? Then you expect me to have something to be proud of. I am proud to be a Kenyan, yes, but I expect more. I expect better from all of us. Stop cheering around and singing how you think now power has come to your hands. You are going to employ your relatives and cousins. No! We now need intelligent people to sit down and guide the president and the prime minister to make sure this country runs in the direction where we can be fully proud and happy that we are moving as a team. Stop alienating some communities because of political disagreements. Sit with them and talk with them. Majority Leader, aren't you sitting with the gentleman there with big hair? I wanted to make a reference. Thank you.
Senator Onyonka, you know you are seasoned registry.
Yeah? Mr. Speaker, I'm a bit emotional about this. Allow me.
How can you describe Honorable Medhu in that manner?
He accepts the I wanted to say how beautiful I see both of you. You have disagreed politically, and yet you are talking. That is how it should be. Let us not escalate it to the next level. I see us escalating this war to the next level. And I want to mention finally, Mr. Speaker, that whatever it takes for this Senate, whatever it takes all of you, for the next 2.5 years, this country has been left in your hands. Make sure the leadership listens to what the Kenyan public is saying. Especially, I heard somebody trying to dismiss the role of the young people. Some of us are just saying it purely. Please listen to these young people. And it's not about me wanting to be on TikTok. I've heard some of my colleagues always jump up and say, yeah, I'm at 6 million views. Those things don't matter to me. I don't even have to come back to this house again as a senator or any leadership position, because I am extremely disappointed at the way we are carrying ourselves when we are advantaged. When we are not disadvantaged. When we are disadvantaged, we behave differently. When we are advantaged, we behave differently. It is convenient. This state does not convenience. This state needs factual analysis, evaluation, and conclusions on matters that are going to help us govern. The president should succeed. He should listen to us. What is working, let him continue working on it. What is failing, can he stop, fix it, and then we move forward. Mr. Speaker, I support.
Next is Senator Charigai Samson.
Mr. Speaker, thank you very much. From the onset, I want to support this motion by the Majority Leader